KGF 2 teaser to be deleted from YouTube. KGF Chapter 2's teaser has broken some massive records on the internet and has become most watched South Indian teaser. The teaser was loved by everyone and a particular scene from the teaser got loved by people too much. Well, that particular scene where Yash, also known as Rocky Bhai, can be seen lighting a cigarette from the warm machine gun created huge hype. But the makers have landed into a great trouble recently and they might have to take down the teaser from the internet. But what has happened now that after this huge response from the public, the teaser will get removed? Let us find out in this video why the makers might have to take down the video. Well, recently the Karnataka State Anti-Tobacco Cell has sent a letter to the director of KGF, Prashant Nil, objecting to a particular scene. The scene where Yash lights the cigarette is the most talked about scene from the teaser, and the Anti-Tobacco Cell has objected to that scene. As per the reports, the Anti-Tobacco Cell has said that the scene violates the Section 5 of the Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Act 2003. And unfortunately, the cell has demanded from the makers of the movie deletion of the teaser from several platforms on the internet. They have also demanded the removal of posters of the film which shows Yash smoking. The main concern here is that Yash has a huge fan following and his fans would be influenced by what he does in the movie. The Anti-Tobacco Cell has revealed that the scene glorifies smoking and it would inspire people to smoke more. Any movie can include a scene of smoking, but there has to be an anti-tobacco spot or message running during the scene. Unfortunately, KGF makers did not include any anti-tobacco message in their teaser during the scene. The makers have repeated their mistake again, as in Chapter 1-2, Anti-Tobacco Cell objected to few scenes which were edited in final print. Do you think the teaser should be taken down? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.